Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can import from Commons into any classroom, into all of your classrooms, whatever you're trying to do. So first things first, you want to go to your home button. You want to make sure you're on your home screen, and then you want to click import from Commons. Jeez. Import from Commons. All right, so then you're going to pick whatever item you want to import. So I'm just going to import this module. So I'm going to click the module. It's called Doug 10. I don't even know what it is. We're just going to import it, okay? Just show you an example. You're going to click this import download. You can click all of your courses. It can go into all of them, or you can pick just a specific one. I want it to go into just my sandbox. So I'm going to click import into course. I'm not going to click download because that'll download it to your computer. I want to import it into the course. You want to see this green box on the screen saying that it was successful. And then you want to go to your course to find what you just imported. So go to Sandbox, I put it under the module, and there should be a module called Doug. Let's see. All right, here it is. This is the module from Mrs. Humphrey. There it is. Now, if you import something and it is a template, it is going to show up on your pages. And if you're going to view all pages, and if you are not the person to download it, or put it in there, then it's going to be blank, and that way you know you imported it from somebody. So you can tell that this is from Miss Humphrey, this is that Doug module, because this is not for me, and these match the dates that she had listed. Let me know if you have any questions.